Now we're moving on to look at probabilities. So we're going to look at fractions, decimals and percentages for a particular outcome for one event. So the event we're going to look at is tossing a coin. Okay, and we're going to toss the coin twice. So our possible outcomes are heads and heads, heads and tail, tail and head, tail and tail. There are 4 possibilities. Right. Now technically, these 2 outcomes overall are the same, one head and one tail. So we're going to make sure that when we write up our outcomes, we don't overlook that. So we've got 2 heads, 2 tails, 1 head and 1 tail as our outcomes. So if we're looking at a fraction, we have 1 out of 4 chance here, 1 out of 4 chance here, and we have 2 out of 4 chance here. Now we could write 2 out of 4, but we know, as we've looked at equivalent fractions before, the simplified version of that is 1/2. Okay. If we look at transforming that into a fraction, on your calculator you can do 1 divided by 4 if you like, which gives you 0.25. 1 divided by 2 gives you 0.5. Again, 1 divided by 4 will give you 0.25. And we know if we times those then by 100 we get our percentage, because we've done all that before. 25%, 50%, 25%. To check that we've got this right, we add those up. If we get 100%, and if we add those up we get 1, we add those up we get 1, we know